today, sir?
No, because this is inorganic chemistry. Na inorganic chemistry, it is only the factual things are there. Okay, so many things are there, so better you
Okay,
learn
sir.
all
One
that.
second, sir. I will
Okay.
also take screen recording, sir.
Yes.
No, no, he actually didn't write. He was just teaching the things in Adobe itself.
What? I last I did purity property,
Sir, one
right?
second. In my
Uh,
screen recording, I can see one capture button, one reload, and screen recording. Then mic, sir. That
uh,
mic button should we unmute or we should keep on?
I think you should keep on mute.
Oh, okay, okay, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, the last thing you were doing was Mosley's periodic table, sir.
Yes, modular period table. Okay, okay, okay. This means
Yeah,
that.
that's what we were doing. The last
Uh,
point we studied about was that physical and chemical properties of elements and
Yes, yes.
that one.
Yes, 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 yes. So modular, I think modular we have finished now.
Yes, sir, we were doing it. We almost finished. We were writing about their physical chemical properties and their atomic number.
Okay, okay. Atomic number means I think have you done the group and element? I think we have also done element, alkali metals. Okay, no problem. Let me revise it once again. So long form of periodic table consists of, it is based on your this is based on Bose-Bury electronic configuration concept and atomic number. The model is proposed by, this is not important, you can leave the question point number 2. It has 7 period and 18 groups. This is the important point. It has your, why this is not connected to this one. Yes. So you can note down this point. This point is important, then this point important. According to IUPAC, 18 columns are named as 1 to 18. Now it is 1 to 18, right? In the Mendeleev time, there were the group 1, group 2, like this here. You can see this was the condition when given by Mendeleev, but this is totally removed now. Okay, this is totally removed now. 1A, 2A, 3B. So now this is not there. Only this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 18. So there are 18 groups are there. Okay, so next is again elements belong to same group. Okay, elements belong to same group. So they always have same number of electrons in the outermost cell to their properties, and also so their properties also similar. So same electrons means same type of properties, right? Yes. Same electron means, suppose group 1 having the only one electron in the outermost cell, this group 1, so they having the only same similar kind of properties. So we'll see these properties one by one. Let's go here. So this is given. You can see in first period there were only 2 elements. We can see clearly in first period we have how many elements? We have 2 elements. So one element, these 2 elements is hydrogen to helium. In second period we have 8 elements. So total is lithium to neon. So this is the shortest period. This is a short period. Similarly, third group having period is 3s, 3p. Number of element is 8, and sodium to argon, it is also short. But in case of fourth period, we have to the subcell is 4s, 3d, 3p, and there were 80 element, potassium to krypton, long. Similarly, for the fifth period, it is your rubidium to xenon, it is also long. And sixth period is your cesium to radon, longest period. And seventh is your francium to UNO, something orgasm is given, some new name is given. So that is called your complete. So whole 100 element has been found out on the periodic table. So this all you have to remember. So this 288, this number 288, 18, 18, 32, 32. So this is also called your magic number. This is also called your magic number. So with the help of this magic number, we can find out the group and period of a particular element. Okay. So let us take next is, where is this one? Whatever I'm marking, yes, write down the, you can write the copy also. Okay.
Sir, last class recording, when will you send, sir?
Last task recording, I had not taken recording. I think it's lost.
Oh, so we can't get that recording.
Yes, you can't get recording. Okay, this recording is from the Fiji site, so maybe you can get the recording.
Sir,
Okay. From this book I taught. From this book only. Okay. PDF is already there. In the Telegram, it's already there. Okay.
the Telegram is difficult for search, sir. What is the file name at least?
Allen Chemistry. You can put it. Allen Chemistry, you can get that, right? Allen KVPY Chemistry. Name is Allen is here. KVPYSA Allen Chemistry. Okay. If you type it, you will get the notes. Because this is the concise notes of all important topics. Okay, concise means only they have given important.
Sir, you also told like you will keep test for atomic structure.
So you atomic test also. Select keep
Yes,
test.
sir. Before itself you told, but you didn't keep, sir.
Oh.
Yes,
Then
sir. Long before you told, 1 month before starting this chapter, I will keep one test because before that we started atomic structure only, no, sir.
Acha,
Sir, you can keep the test on Saturday, sir.
Next class we will have the test, sir.
But Saturday you have Diwali, na? You will be all busy in your homework.
Sir,
Sir, Thursday we have classes, sir.
Thursday, okay. So can we keep Friday possible?
so Saturday is fine.
Sir,
Friday
whatever
also
we are free in Diwali also, sir, because I will take screen recording. I will share with everyone.
Okay.
So if it's not possible, we can keep tomorrow. We are also having the same time, no, sir. Tomorrow you message
I
in
think,
WhatsApp like 8 to 9, same time.
no, 8 to 9 we can keep it. What's problem with that?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow also we will do like that. And one more in this week means are you free with Thursday or Friday, sir?
I think
So
Friday I'm free
Friday
only.
is fine, sir.
Friday I'm free. Yes, Friday I can keep
Yes,
the
sir. Friday or Thursday, sir. Whatever is. It
I
will
think
be fine for us, sir.
Friday is Fiji holiday. I think your school holiday is there. I don't know.
Yes, sir. That's why. So can we keep on Thursday if you have no problem?
What class?
Yes, sir. This class.
Thursday. So they keep. Better we keep Friday only. Friday, I
Okay,
think.
sir. Friday also no problem, sir.
The
Friday.
test will be like how you normally censor, like you send a PDF and the Google form in the WhatsApp group, or it'll be in class.
In Olympiad class.
In the Olympiad class, what question paper? Question paper I'll give in the Olympiad class. This one classroom.
Test all will happen in Google Classroom only. no, sir.
Yes, sir. I'll send this one your Google form as well question paper. Okay.
Sir, and that we'll do during the Olympiad class or at home is my question.
No, you can do home also. Okay, you can
Home
take
lessons.
time. Yes, you can say it. Okay, right. Okay.
Sir, so Friday we will also have the same timing, 8 to 9.
Friday 8 to 9. Friday, can we keep like a daytime? I think you have school there Friday.
Sir, no, sir. We will have no school, sir.
I think nobody have school on Friday.
Yes, sir. Because we'll have Diwali, no, sir.
Friday or Diwali?
Sir, Saturday. So they
Saturday.
will also give leave, sir. We will. I think I have leave till Wednesday.
Friday, anyone have? You tell me tomorrow, okay? Or I
Sir,
will ask.
maybe we will message it in group, sir.
Yes, sir. Otherwise, we'll keep in the evening because whole day is empty. So we'll take in the afternoon, 1 to 2, something like that, isn't it?
So can you finalize the time for Friday tomorrow, sir?
Okay.
So tomorrow.
But tell me now, I think it's,
tomorrow we already have class, no, sir.
tomorrow we have class for the Friday timing. So I'm just taking whether the school is open or closed.
Sir, that is based upon all the school, no, sir.
They will give you timing today.
Sir, today we have 8 to 9 today class. Tomorrow also 8 to 9, same timing, no, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Like that, 8 to 9 we will have another class at Thursday or Friday.
Friday, but Friday one class is classing. That's what I'm thinking of. Okay, one more because if you have. Okay. You tell me tomorrow whether you have school or not. Okay, because they will give you the timing today now.
So tomorrow we have school, sir, but we will handle it because it's evening only, no, sir.
But they will give you
Sir,
7 days
talking
timing.
about Friday, not
Friday.
Friday morning 8 to 9.
No, Friday you have school or not?
Sir, Friday
Sir,
no
we'll
school,
let
sir.
you know, sir, by tomorrow.
Okay, we will discuss tomorrow only. Okay.
Okay, sir. So we will discuss in WhatsApp tomorrow, sir.
Not WhatsApp. We will discuss the classroom message. It will take how much time?
Okay, sir. In
Yeah.
classroom, tomorrow's class. Okay.
Yes, because everyone come to know that now you have school. I think no one have school. They have given holiday.
Yes, sir. Because we will have Deepavali, so they will tell like we will have like 5 or 6 days holiday, sir. For my school, all they told like 6 days.
6 days holiday.
Yes, sir. 6 days holiday.
My God.
But my school has not confirmed anything still, sir.
Okay, it will confirm tomorrow. Okay, so we'll discuss tomorrow for the Friday classes, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Whether
So-
Friday, Wednesday, or Thursday, like that.
Okay. Let's continue here. So after this description of period, let's go for next topic. Here is, because this chapter is not that much difficult, easy only. Just note down what are the important points are there. Okay.
Sir, that day I sent all recordings of Allen periodic table, sir.
Yes. We complete it because what are the important portions that are there? I will discuss the only that important portion. Okay, everything is not important. Now conclusion: periodic number is your nothing but the outermost cell. You can note down, and number of element in a period is equal to number of electron in the period subcell. Okay, what does this mean? This means that number of element in a period is equal to number of electrons in that period. Obviously, that if the period containing 2 electrons, so subset also containing 2 electrons, like that they have given.
Okay, sir.
So see here, suppose description of groups. Alkali metal, so they have in group 1, they have last is 1s electron, 2s1 electron, 3s1 electron, 4. So all s orbital having only 1 electron. So when the valence electron containing 1 electron, they are called group 1 element. When the number of electron valence cell containing 2 electrons, so they belong to the group 2 element. So all having the 2 group, and electrons enters into the s orbital. Okay, so they are called alkaline earth metal. Similarly, if you see for a boron, wait. I think all I discussed last time also. I remember I discussed.
Sir, yes, sir, we discussed, sir.
I think boron family group 13. I think no one is discussing, right? You leave it. Boron family is your number of valence electrons 3. Then carbon number of valence electrons 4. This is the electronic
Sir,
conflict.
can you send this book, sir, again in WhatsApp, sir? Can you send this?
Already this book is in the your Telegram. Okay, you can go and download. Okay, already
Sir,
book
no,
is there.
sir. Telegram. No, sir.
Telegram 24/7 already there. Lots of books are there. You can see this is KUPI books. Very
Sir, no,
important.
sir, I'm not in that Telegram thing, sir.
So you just become member now.
Sir, no, sir. What Telegram? How should I become a member?
Telegram is also like Facebook, WhatsApp, like that. One app.
Yes, sir, but it can you can upload any data book.
PDF,
Okay?
any video, like even
because,
like 3 GB.
WhatsApp have
Sir,
limited.
can you send this thing in WhatsApp, sir? But Telegram and all, I don't have access, sir.
And WhatsApp won't come now. WhatsApp have a limitation of the file.
Sir,
When the book file is more than 100.
Sir, you can just forward this thing in.
No, not possible. Not possible. No, not
No,
possible.
sir, it's possible, sir. I will do, sir. Where did you get this in group, sir?
In the Telegram is there. If you see
Okay,
the
sir.
Telegram is there. If possible, you can find
Sir,
out.
Sir, our group,
can
sir,
send-
24/7.
I think already I posted the link also for Telegram.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can
You better join the Telegram because you will get all the previous books. Okay, even you can get the
Sir,
physics.
KVPA, SA, Allen Notes Chemistry, sir.
Yes, correct. You did you get? You got
Yes, sir.
that book? Yes.
Yes, sir. I will see whether this. Sir, 452 pages, sir.
Yes.
That one
Sir,
red color, it will be there, no, sir. That book.
Yes.
Google Classroom, it is okay, sir.
Google Classroom. I don't send Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, I will send in Google Classroom.
It will occupy space only. You have to remove from there. Okay.
Okay, I
then
will send in WhatsApp.
WhatsApp also. Okay.
Google Drive. Sir, you can upload in Google Drive and grant access to everyone, sir.
Google Drive, ultimately my Google Drive is space occupying. I have to remove the book automatically. Okay. It is better you
Just I
download.
had to remove
You
the book.
download. You download it, keep in your laptop, and then you remove it also. Okay. You can send the WhatsApp also if there. I don't know how many MB are there because WhatsApp have limitation.
I sent in WhatsApp.
But if laptop and all.
Sir, I sent, sir.
Okay.
Laptop
Okay.
you
Sir,
sent. Sir.
Sri Raghav sent, sir, because this file is actually this file is this much GB, sir. Only 7 to 8 GB, sir. That's why.
Oh, okay. Okay. Small file is there.
Sir, it can,
Sir,
sir.
can we continue, sir? The
Wait.
Not
Let's.
the 7.5 only.
Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. We are keep on talking.
Okay, Adam.
Okay. So group 13 is called boron family. Number of electrons is 3. Group 14 is your carbon family. Group 15 is the your nitrogen family. Nicogen means the family used in fertilizer as a urea. Group 16 is called chalcogen family. Chalcogen family is called ore forming element. They form the ores. Similarly, for 17 is called your halogen family. Halogen family forms the salt, and 18 group is called zero group or inert gases, noble gases. So only you have to remember this one. For 15 Nicogen family, 16 chalcogen family, valency 6, 17 halogen, fluorine family, 18 zero group or noble gases. So if you have written, it's okay. Otherwise, if you are recording, you can so note down this thing during after recording.
Sir. Sir. Okay, sir. I will ask later, sir.
So understood now? Everyone have these notes?
Yes, sir. In recording, we will take notes, sir.
No. You just note down in the complete.
Sir, now we take the important points only. I'm taking, sir.
Only you take the important parts. Okay. So other things are given in the book also. So they will ask you the question. The question will be like this only. Now after this one, next we'll going to nomenclature of element. So how we can write the name of element? Which element? So element.
Sir, nomenclature means
naming. How do you write the name of element? So if element is more than 100 atomic number, then how we can write the name of the element? So we have these names. For 0 is nil, for 1 is un, for 2 is bi, for 3 is tri, 4 is quad, 5 is pent, 6 is hex, 7 is sept, and 8 is oct, and 9 is EFFN. So these all you have to remember, right? These numbers you have to remember. 0, nil, un, then 2 is bi, tri, quad, pent, hex, sept.
Sir, can you give an example, sir? For
wait. You will get example. Wait. I think you understood this. Remember. Now see here. Suppose I am writing 101. So 1 will be u and un, 0 will be nil, and 1 will be again 1. So un-nil, and last you have to write the suffix ium, anium. Okay. So un-nil, anium. So un-nil, anium, and symbol will be capital U, then a small n, then U. So this is the symbol of this element 101. By the way, now the IUPAC given the name for this element is Mendelevium, or symbol will be MD. But before giving name, it was known as a un-nil, anium. Okay. Similarly for
did they give the periodic tables? This thing, sir.
This thing.
Periodic table.
No, don't give. Already has given.
Before they gave that element name, sir, the IUPAC name is very.
No, it's
different. No, sir, it is like difficult to.
Why difficult?
Sir.
Why difficult?
Sir, can't tell.
You just remember 0 to 1 to 9. Easy only. You have to substitute the value. Sir. For 1 is un, 0 is your nil, and again is un and inium. So un-nil, anium. And you have to use the word U, N, and U. It's very simple. U and U. What you capital U will be first will be capital, remaining will be your small letters. And the name is called elemental name is called Mendelevium. By the way, they won't ask the elemental name.
Rutherfordium, sir.
Rutherfordium, but they won't ask you the name of the element. They will ask you this IUPAC name. Okay, for 102, 1 is your un, 0 will be nil, and 2 will be the bi. So un-nil, bium. So it will be U and B. Similarly, 103 will be un-nil, trium. So it will be U and T. 104 is your un-nil, quadium. So it will be U and Q. 105, I think now you understood. 6 will be hex. Then 7 will be sept. 8 will be oct. And 9 will be EFFN. And 110 will be nilium. Okay. So I think now you can write the names. I'm giving you some new names, right? Better I will write the notes only, one note, right? One note will be better.
Sir, one note periodic table, where did you kept, sir?
It is here only.
Sir, in Pankaj's notebook, or where did you keep, sir?
You wait, just you remove this page.
He kept somewhere, sir.
Not somewhere. Here. What happened?
Sir, JSO batch class.
Wait. Now can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Now practice questions. Now right here 120. Okay, IUPAC name. IUPAC name. You can use the chat box also. 120.
Sir, very light, sir.
It's okay, no problem. Then we can use here 125. You can write here 132. These are the element name, atomic number of element name. Okay. These are the atomic number. Then you can write here 229.
Sir, can you give annotate option?
Yes. I think it's there now. It's not there. Yes, there. How will you write the name?
Sir, IUPAC or with the nomenclature, sir?
No, IUPAC name. All you have to write the IUPAC name only.
Sir, but
No, by Nilium. Yes, very good. Super. Perfect answer. By Nilium. Yes, correct answer. By Pentium. Very good. Super. Sirago writing very good. Super. And your code symbol?
Sir, all are writing before me, sir.
Now they're more intelligent than you now.
Untried billionium, it is coming in trying to become a billionaire, sir.
By Niam, no. By Inium. But small b, capital B and small b. Inium, yes. Inium.
So why, sir? Small b and capital.
No. It's like this only, okay? Nothing more than that. They will ask you what is the IUPAC name of 229. That's all. They will give you option. Easy only, it's very easy. Or they will give you match the column, which of the following is correct.
Sir, it is Pentium, sir.
Pentium. You tell this also.
Sir, why is it 1B caps and 1B?
Sir, clear everything after writing, sir.
Yes.
Because our annotation is also.
Untried bium, no, BIUM. Untried bium. This will be by inium. Right.
Sir, this should be capital, no, sir.
Which one? Capital. By B will be capital.
Next one is small.
Sir, why, sir? 1B
Unpenta.
Pent.
Yes, sir. Pentium.
Unpent and Pentium. I think you understood now. This will be by Pentium.
Sir, another 3 example.
Okay, then 199.
Mouse is not working, sir. 1 second.
Sir, I can't type, sir.
Uninium. Correct only. Uninium. Perfect answer.
Not it is B nil.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
binil octium.
Yes, yes. Binil octium. Very good. Okay.
All clear. Okay, sir. Now we will go to next, sir.
Yes, sir. I think now understood how to solve problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Let's come to point. So I think you understood. So in this way, you can write the names of any element which are yet to be discovered, right?
Yes,
Because they
sir.
won't ask you the elemental name, symbol. They won't ask you all these things. Now come to
IUPAC name means we should write like this.
now next is the identification of real name is here. Real name they are given now. Mendelium, Nobelium.
Because it's not found already.
These are the
we should,
artificial.
That time it was not
These
found.
are these are
Suma they gave. You know, it's like different.
this is the official name. IUPAC. These are created names. So they
The
have given
scientists
some.
who found that new things.
We have to go IUPAC body because they want to remember this name of scientist. So they gave the name element on the name of
but
scientist.
this is itself fine because we can't
Hasyam,
have more than atomic number like this.
but it is not. It will not come in the examination. Okay, don't worry. They won't ask you examination.
Sir, because this is very silly question, sir.
Yes, they won't ask you.
Very, very
They will ask you this name. These names they can ask you. Okay, but that is also less chances.
Sir, it's like the names of a polygon, sir.
Names of the polygon. Yes.
Sir, now I can get everything recorded in laptop, sir.
Yes. You will get it.
Yes, sir.
Now next our identification of group, period, and block. So let us see next topic. Again, we have to go one note only. Identification of next topic is identification of.
Sir, can you use white color? It's
What?
very clear, sir, in
Yeah,
black.
now sometimes we can't.
No. This is gonna period.
Okay.
Group, period, and next is your group, period, and block. Because black is okay now. Black means you can see the writing very clearly. Okay, it will absorb the all light.
Sir, this is nice, sir. That's why I ask.
Okay, so don't use the white. The white means you can't see it. It is so much white. It will also reflect in the white. Now, how do you identify the group, period, and block of element? So this is also a very important question. For example, if you take the S block element, okay, in S block element, how do you find the group and period? So let us write here group, and let us write this side is period. Okay. Now, how do you identify the group? Now, in S block element, actually electrons are filled into the NS. This will be 1 to 2. Okay, this is there. So if you put the NS1, so that belong to group 1. So if you use the NS2, that belong to group 2. So N will be a period here, right? This is the N period. Let's take one example. So example will be, suppose I'm writing 4S1. So what is the group and what is period? So group will be your 1 and period will be 4. Understood?
Oh.
Similarly,
Yes, sir.
5S2. So group will be 2 and period will be 5. Is it understood now?
Yes, sir.
Is
Sir,
only
problem.
what problem?
Like this.
No, only this much there. No, nothing more than that. This is enough. Now come to a P block. Now in this case, how do you find the atomic number? I will tell you. Now come to P block. In P block, the general electronic configuration is EC means electronic configuration is, if you write here P block. So we have last number is the any inert gas, and then after that next will be NP126. 126 means if you have the P1 and P1, that will be
Sir,
group 13. Yes, what happened?
sir, will this come in organic or inorganic, sir?
Inorganic. This is the inorganic chemistry.
Sir, how can we find whether it will come in organic or inorganic? That topic, sir.
Organic means carbon compound. If they are not carbon compound, it will be inorganic. Okay, and when you are solving a math problem, that becomes your physical chemistry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very simple to identify. Here, nothing to, there is no carbon. So it will be inorganic chemistry. Now, NP1 will be group 13. NP will be your group 14. NP3 will be equal to group 15. Similarly, NP4 will be group, it will be 16. NP5 will be group 17, and last is NP6 will be inert group, that is your group 18. I hope you can remember. Let's take example. Okay. Now, example is suppose 4P3. So what is the group and what is the period? I think this you can remember. Yes, 7P4. Can you tell answer?
Sir, 6P3 is from group 15.
So P3 means here P3 is 15. Or we can remember 12 plus 3. You can also remember P3 will be P3 means 12 plus 3. Always you have to add 12. Or you have to remember this by heart only. Why 12? Because after 12, P1, P2 and P3 start. So either you write group will be 12 plus 3 or P3 equal to 15. Understood? And period will be 6.
P, sir.
And this will be group P4 will be 12 plus 4. That will be 16, or this will be your 7th period. Understood now? Clear? Understood? No problem? So this is there. Now question, how do you find the atomic number? What is the atomic number? How do you find it? Let's first solve the D block also. Then we solve your atomic number. In D block, we first you see in D block D1 to D10. D1 to 10. Provided they should not have any exception. Okay, but the exceptions are there, copper and chromium. So in that case, we can't find a group and period by looking the electronic configuration. So there are some exceptions are there. But those who are not in exception, we can use this element to find the group and period. So in this case, D1 is your group 2, group 3, D1 group 2, group 3. So D2 will be N, D2, not N, it will be N minus 1. Okay, D will be always N minus 1. N minus 1, D1 will be group 3, N minus 1, D2 will be group 4. Similarly, we have group 5, obviously this will be D3. Like that, we can see that. So D10 will be your group 12. Okay, let's take example. This will be N minus 1. So suppose example is your, now D we have this one only, 3D or 4D, or we have the 5D, or we have the 6D also. We have 4D, 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D. Suppose 3D, 5. So what is the group and what is the period? So group and period will be, so group will be your, this is 3 now, this will be N minus 1, right? Okay, so N minus 1 will be, what is the period? Period will be your 4, because N minus 1 equal to 4. So N minus 1 equal to 3. So N equal to your 3 plus 1 of 4. So period will be 4, but group will be, now D5 means what is the group? So we have to add 2 plus 5. So it becomes your 7. Understood now? Better write here 2 plus 5.
Sir, why 2?
Because S1, because D start after S block. So we use the 2 and then we have to add 5. So it becomes 7. Here also.
Sir, can you scroll up a little bit? I just want to take screenshot.
Okay. I just give you.
Sir, can you scroll a bit more up, sir?
Okay.
Sir, yes. Even above this, sir. Even above this also.
This is we started here only. Today, our class start from here only. 8/11/2020. Yes.
Okay.
You see the recording it is enabled.
So, but for 8th standard, this takes to complete this chapter.
Wait. We after this one model period, then we'll see periodic trends, right? Periodic trends, we'll see only 4 properties.
Okay, sir.
One is radius.
Sir, after this atomic structure chapter will be easy because we learned this chapter.
No, after this atomic structure already we finished, right?
Sir, we'll do chemical bonding, sir.
Sir, chemical bonding is
then we will
finally final topic.
that will be final topic. We'll finish final topic. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, after that also we have some more topics or that.
No, there are lots of topics are there, but I think all become so much tired by studying chemistry only, right? Okay, chemistry is a very vast topic, and for IT purpose, topics are not there. You have to solve many good problems. Okay, for good problems, you have to solve good books. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
how to get the good books? Because good problems are not given there. You have to select it. So I
Sir.
have CPPs. Yes.
You studied in IT, sir.
Study in.
IIT Madras, sir.
Who study? No. I am not studying IT Madras. Okay.
Sir, did you study in IIT somewhere?
No. If I will study IT, why I will join Fiji? Fiji waste. Who will join here? I will go in some big company. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, then where you study?
Here is full torturing in Fiji. I also get so much headache over here. IT is very good organization. IT is good organization. Once you go in IT,
Yes, sir. Sir, for Diwali, my brother is coming here, sir. IIT student.
Yes, it's good only.
He's which IIT?
Which IIT you tell?
Kanpur.
Coimbatore IT. In Computer IT is there.
Kanpur, sir.
Kanpur,
Kanpur is nice, very nice. Kanpur.
Sir, they are telling rank is 4, sir.
Yes. Rank not 4. It depends upon the branch. Kanpur computer branch is very good. That's it.
Sir, we didn't finish acid based also, sir.
Acid based are already finished. Long back. No. Who will say no again same topic? We have to study more advanced.
Sir, I came late, sir. That's why you confused, sir.
No problem. You joined late. Already the students are joining early, na?
Yes, sir. I came by atomic structure only, sir.
No problem. You will learn so many things. Now, let's solve this question. So, what is the group 3 here? 3D5 is your group is your 7 and period is your 4. In 4D3, so it will be again 2 plus 3. So, group is your 5, but period will be how much? So, it will be again n minus 1 equal to 4. So, n equal to 5. So, fifth period. Understood? For 5D7,
6, sir.
Number, so it will be 2 plus 7. So, group will be 9 and this will be 6. Similarly, 68, what is the group? So, group will be 2 plus 8, it becomes your 10 and period will be your 6 plus 1, 7. Understood now? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, this is the group and period, right? Okay. And for F block, in F block, how we can write this one? For F block, elements is starting from the, we can say F, we can start the counting element from F1 to F14, but all belong to group number 3 only. So in group number 3, we have this one F1 to F14 means we have the 6F 1 to 14 and then 5F 1 to 14 and we have which left? We have 3D1 also and we have 4D1 also, we have 5D1 also, we have 6D1. So total this element and this element, this much element is present in one group. Which group? Group number 3. The total becomes your 14 plus 14 and this becomes your 4. So there are 32 elements present in group number 3. Understood now?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, how many elements are present in group number 3? 32. It's very high number. Understood? In the 6th period, 32 element. In the 7th period, 32 element. And group number 3 also 32 elements are there. No other group having the biggest number. Only the group 3 having the biggest number. Right? Now let us see. We'll see the how to find the atomic number. Okay? Yes, somebody.
Sir, what have you written beside groups, sir? Something like 2 plus.
2 is the S block element. D block only start after the S block. So that's why we are adding 2.
So not that, sir. Beside group over there, you've written 2 plus.
No, you have to write the 2 plus and the number of electrons present in D block. Okay. This is the 2 plus, and this is the electron present in d orbital in D.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's why I
Okay,
wrote
sir.
here. Just to understand, write in a copy. Got it? Yes. So let us find the atomic number. Have you copied all? Yes. Now we are going to find the position of element in the periodic table. Position of element in periodic table. Okay. So let's take example. Suppose I will write here an element is X whose atomic number is suppose 33. Okay, so what is the group number and what is the period and what is the name of element? So can anybody solve this question?
Sir, what have you written, sir? 3s.
X means any name of any element is there. I don't know element. X is any element whose atomic number is 33. So what is the group, what is the period, and what is the name of element? So let me solve this question. Okay. Question clear? Question clear? So what is the name of
Okay, sir.
element? Now, how do you find the element name, group period? So write the electronic configuration. So electronic configuration of X is, I think you remember, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then 4s2, 4s2. Then next is 3d10. So this becomes your how much? 30. After 310, we have to start 4p.
This is arsenic.
4p3. So actually, they're asking what is the 4p3. So 4p3 means period will be 4, and 3 means 3 plus 12. So this becomes your 15. Understood? What is the name of element? Element is your arsenic. I think now clear? Yes. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's solve question. Suppose element is Y and 57. So what is the group? What is the period? And what is the name of element? So how will you solve this question?
Sir, yes, sir. I will do, sir. Fastly, I will do, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, 2 minutes.
You can use this also.
Sir, wait, sir. I will do, sir.
42. Hmm. 56 will be easy. You take. Sometimes they ask this also. This element is metal, non-metal. They are the metalloid. You have to tell. So if you identify the new element, you can tell the nature value. But they will ask a question. They will ask you valency also. What is the valency? What is the your nature of acidic oxide? Like this question can be asked from here. Okay. So if you know the position, know the element, you can tell the your metalloid nature of the element. But first you should identify the element. This is the main thing. Anyone got answer? Oh, lanthanum.
Sir, period is 6, sir.
Period is 6. Very good. What is the electronic configuration?
Sir, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2.
You better write the
3p6.
up to krypton. Krypton is 36, right? After 36, next is yes. After krypton, next is
Sir, I think after the xenon will be coming, sir.
after xenon is 54. After xenon, yes. Good. It will be after xenon. Super. It will be after xenon. Xenon is your 54. So next will be which element?
Sir, 5.
2. Not 5. You are taking 6 means 6 as 2. This will be your obviously 6s2. Then 5d1, right? I think so. Clear?
Sir, but isn't 5D supposed to come before 6S, sir?
5d.
Sir,
Yeah,
5D only should
yeah.
come first, right?
Yeah, no, we can write anyway. 5d1 or 6s2. We can write like this also.
Okay, sir.
I'm using the upper rule. Okay, upper rule will be like this. 6s2, 5d1. Okay.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it? So an element is called your this one. So group is this one. What is the group number? Group number will be 3. 3 na?
Yes, sir.
Group number is 3 only. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And name element is lanthanum. M42 molybdenum. What is the group number period? So 6 is there. Oh, 6? No. 6 not possible.
Sir, molybdenum is krypton 4D, 4D. Sir, 5S1, 4D5, sir.
Krypton will be how much? This is krypton. Xenon, not xenon. Krypton. Krypton after krypton.
5S1, 4D5.
4D5. Okay. So period will be wrong na. 5.
Yes, sir. 5, sir. Made mistake.
Sir, 6, sir.
Group number is your 5 plus 1, 6. Not 6, 7. 7 na. It will be 7. 5 plus 2, 7. And answer is molybdenum. Okay, clear? Next one.
Sir, how 7, sir?
Because it is you have to calculate D always start with the 2. 2 plus D1. 2 plus D2. So 5 plus 2 it will be 7. Because if before 7 there will be 4.
Sir, this will be yes or no, sir?
5s1 and 5s2 will be there. It will be 5s2 only, right? It will be 5s2. Okay. So 2 plus 5, 7. Understood?
Okay, sir.
I wrote wrong. It will be 5s2 only, right?
Sir, it should be 6 only, no, sir.
Why 5 plus 2, 7 now? Group
Sir,
number
sir,
and
it should
Sir,
be
this is
5S2
a yes
and
or no,
4D2,
sir?
sir.
Strontium.
which one? This is strontium.
Sir, this, sir.
It is
This
38.
thing I'm telling, sir.
38. This is your lanthanum. This is your molybdenum. Strontium you're getting. Check it. Up to here krypton. Krypton 36. Next is your krypton is 4 now. It becomes your 5s2. So 5s2 group number will be 2 and period will be 5 and this element will be strontium. But why you are not writing this one? You are, I think you are seeing the periodic table and writing answer, right? I don't say periodic table, write by own. Okay, don't see table. You will get in the examination the question. What is the valency of this element? Okay, so when this element reacts with the halogen, what is the formula of that compound? Like this question can be asked. Okay. So if you know the element, you can write the answer quickly. I think now understood. It's clear. Yes. So we can write here. Suppose example next is. Yes. Let us take some big number. Z equal to 85. Now tell. You better write this one. Z equal to 85 right here. What is the answer?
Sir, please wait, sir.
Sir, that day I saw once my OneNote and the Chrome all, sir. It took many MB, GB, sir.
Oh.
OneNote contained like 612 MB, sir.
It is occupying huge space.
Yes, sir. But you are having many things in this, no, sir. Three things.
So that's why I'm not.
Sir, if you go now, sir, in this thing, you can see how many GB you are handling, sir.
So I am having lots of problems. I'm not keeping. I'm just removing them.
Sir, from now you can start with word, sir.
No, I won't start. But you just, I will remove the notes.
Sir, word also having draw, sir.
No, they don't have. Draw
Sir,
is there,
they
but
have, sir.
they don't have blackboard.
Sir, we can change to blank also, sir.
No, they don't have color. Okay, it is problematic. The OneNote it is writing purpose. It is acting as a blackboard. OneNote in the Word they don't have this facility. It's a problematic. You can't turn the page also.
Yes, sir. Word means they are giving 12 GB, sir. OneNote means they are giving just 5 GB, sir. 5.2 GB.
No problem. I will save the notes in some other place. No? Okay.
Sir, I think you kept that Fiji limited. Can you share to me, sir?
No, I will share it, but the PDF it is your private. So you can't see it.
Sir, we can see, sir.
Sir,
Yes. If I will give you permission, possible.
Yes, sir. Can you
Sir,
share
sir.
it, sir?
Yes. Answer here.
sir, I had net issues, sir. So I was not able to attend. Like I joined only late, sir. But I
Okay.
wanted these class notes, sir. I don't have Microsoft that OneNote, sir. Can I, is there any person who's able to compress into a PDF so that they can send
Yeah, I
it to
can.
me?
I can.
Yes. See, Rao can do anything.
Huh?
So what is the configuration? Yes, very good. Super. Excellent.
Sir, she's giving me answers, sir, so that I can fill up, sir.
6P5.
Yes, sir. I think so, sir.
6P5 is getting. No, what is your this one? Atomic number Xenon 86 na? 54 plus 32, how much answer? 54 plus 32, you are getting 86. So Xenon atomic number is 86.
Sir,
Xenon,
Radon is only 86, sir.
Xenon
Sir,
86.
Xenon it is 54, sir.
Acha, Xenon 54. 86 is which number? Radon, na?
Radon, sir.
54. So in 54, 86 na. So actually you have to take the 86 is your Xenon. So radon. So it belongs to group 17, right? Obviously this belongs to group 17. We can take 86 is the group 18. So if you subtract it, it becomes 85. 85 will be group 15. Understood now?
Okay, sir.
So it will be group 15 automatically, right? So answer will be group 15 will be correct answer. And period will be obviously 6. And element, what is the name of element?
Yeti.
S30. Understood? Now solve down question 93.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. The right answer.
Sir, from now can we have class like 1 hour and 15 minutes, sir, extra time so that we can discuss. Class is very slow time, sir, for learning.
Why?
Sir, 1 hour class means in talking itself we are losing 15 minutes, sir.
So then we
Because-
don't have to talk, sir.
Don't talk, na. Don't talk. Okay.
Sir, but we are discussing this whether Friday class or Wednesday class like that, sir.
Don't talk. You only talk the useful things. Try to learn by yourself.
Sir,
I don't have much time. Okay.
Sir,
My-
I'm not able to write it down, sir. Can I tell the answer?
Okay, you tell answer.
Sir,
I'm writing.
electronic configuration is Radon
Yes,
5F4,
5.
5F4, sir.
Okay.
7S2,
Very good.
6D1, sir.
61. So group number.
I think 9, sir.
Are you sure? 9 means it belongs to which group? 9 becomes your it will be below cobalt, right?
Sir, 7.
7 it becomes your chromium, below chromium.
8, sir. Sir, I don't know, sir.
This belong to F block element. All F block element belong to group 3 only, right? I gave you now. There are 2 series there. One is called 57. 57 is called your lanthanum. After 57, 58 to 71. That is called lanthanide series.
Sir, alkali metals like alkali earth metals like that, we should remember all those things.
This also I remember. Similarly, we have
That will also they will ask exam, sir.
89. 89 is something called actinide. And after that, 90 to 103. So that is called your actinide series. Okay, actinide series. Actinide series means this consists of how many elements? 14 elements. This consists of how many elements? 40 elements. So all belongs to your, this also belong to this one. This 40 element plus this element, this 4 element. All belong to group 3 only. So that's why group 3 group 3 consists of how many elements? 32. Because 14 plus 40 is 28. One is the lanthanum, one is the actinium, and next year hafnium and scandium. No, hafnium and yttrium 2 is there. So total elements are 32. 28 plus 4, 32 elements. It's clear now.
Sir, it's clear, sir, but next class, can you give a little more sums, sir, so that I can get more confident?
Okay, I will give you because I will give you how to identify a group number. Suppose I will give you some element. Suppose element is.
Sir, can you give homework?
Sir, don't give homework, sir.
Only you find the group number. Okay, find the group number of following element. Okay.
And name
Sir,
of
group
element.
number
Sir.
means you want the vertical column number, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
can you write down, sir?
Wait.
Sir, because we are in this line. Yes. Sir, but before that we have third part, no? Then what should we do? You didn't.
What is your channel name?
It's not channel name. It's Sanjana's channel, I guess.
Yes. This is promoting channel, right?
Sir, I think it's chemistry lectures for NSCJS.
Yeah. Yeah, it came. You already got 20 subscribers.
We can write here better write x only. You take x equal to 39. You take x equal to 99. I think it's okay.
Yes, sir. We will do this, sir.
Only group number. X equal to 75, and last is x equal to 63. Right?
Sir, last, sir. 6. Because okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
We'll do, sir.
Only group number. I will ask you how you go because you have to solve this problem mentally.